HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us visualize random assignment. Here's a display which can help explain random assignment. We have 15 participants with a unique number displayed above each participant. A computer program randomly assigns one of 3 group numbers to each participant. Let's start with participant 1, which is randomly assigned to group 3, so the group number will be displayed below that participant. To make it easier to see the groups, each group will have its own color. Participants in group 3 will be colored orange. Participant 2 is assigned to group 1. Participants in group 1 will be colored pink. Participant 3 is assigned to group 2. Participants in group 2 will be colored purple. The rest of the participants will be assigned their group number with the appropriate color. Now we can group all of the participants together in their randomly assigned groups. As we can see, group number 1 in pink has been randomly chosen to include participants 2, 4, 8, 12, and 15. Group number 2 in purple has been randomly chosen to include participants 3, 6, 7, 10, and 14. Group number 3 in orange has been randomly chosen to include participants 1, 5, 9, 11, and 13. The random assignment is complete. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.